yan, pa-zone
Okay,
ako.
okay. By the way, may nakita akong one party boss, one party ng Aguila Bomb Squad, Drift Blade.
Nasaan?
I saw the last visual in southwest of the...
South PH,
HO.
napatay sa South PH yung Agila.
Nice.
Bomb na bomb.
Kailangan
Bro,
tayo nandito.
join on me, bro. Let's go now.
Okay.
Come out.
Dito na ako,
Comes
dito na
na.
ako.
Follow
Mag-healer ka na
Joseph.
lang. MP. Mag-healer ka.
May bombers kayo,
Pakailan
madala
nga
yung
siya.
mga patay.
Now we have bomb.
Comes out.
Busegi, coming. Okay.
We're gonna go from east side, ah. Sabihin mo sa South PH, laban na kamo, lalaban na kami dito. Hit nila yung backline, ah. Filisti.
Pwede tayo manggaling dito, Boss Reggie, choke dito.
Di min eh.
Logi tayo dyan, up
Ay,
tayo.
sabagay, logi tayo.
This one.
Ina naka 832 yung show, sarap oh.
Oh, si Puchek.
Join on me, party 2. Join on me. Join on me.
Depth ng front. Kamuis. Depth ng front.
West side sila boss.
They're looking. Hold for now. Kailangan nila mabomba yun eh. Kailangan na mabasag ng HO eh. Hold here. Ba't inikutan tayo nitong blob sa east side? Kalaban ba yan? Defense front. Engage on me.
Agila, ano yan? Mga bomb squad na Agila.
Engage on me. Ano yan? Peacemaker.
Southwest yan, Southwest.
Dinabal nila yung ano, bomb squad. Dinabal na bomb squad na Agila.
Kamuis. Hold here. Hold here. Tapos on ni, nag-engage again na. Shallow on ni. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on ni. Damage delete. Shallow. Nice delete. Patayin nyo. Nice one. Kamakis. Stop them left tank. Kamis now. Pass. They're looking. Demon na idea. Kamis. Keep going east. Nice stop, boys.
Wala daw silang hammer, tangina.
13 seconds we're gonna engage ah. Kamis. Heal me. West side 5, West side 4, 3, 2, 1. On my clan boys. That's everyone. Nice fucking delete.
Nice one.
Kamis. Hold here. We have time. Kamis. Don't touch this. Nabi, come back. Nabi, huwag kang
Stop looting.
Yeah, come back. Heal my friend. We're fucking good, man. Kamis. 5 seconds. We're gonna engage. Defense front. My friend. West side now. Everyone west. 5. Everyone west 4. West 3, 2, 1. On my clan boys, man. Huge cam on the west. No damage. Kamakis. Stop them, please. Stop them. Wala akong defensive. 40%. Kamis. Come northeast, hold. Bonk, please.
Defensive.
Oh my god.
Okay, on HO, guys. On HO. And this cap ready in 3, 2, 1. Drop yours in the carving. Drop kahit nice. Doris. Run them over. Hold them.
Ignore loot. Fight, just fight.
Ignore them. Find the healers. Bro, the fucking healers, man. Bro, the fucking healers.
Pakol ako, pre.
Mary the healers.
Ready on the carving, guys. Ready on the carving. On the west side. Northwest in 3, 2, 1. On this one. On the carving. Ay, kite.
Dabin Judy.
Yeah, big kills.
17%. Hilson Judy.
Bonk. Spread, ready. Spread, guys. Spread, my party. Spread, guys.
Almost.
CD.
4 seconds. Basag na.
Okay, nice. Okay, defensive now. Okay,
Demon.
Sa atin na to. Walking now. Ready, engage me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uncle, big clamp, guys. Run over.
Nice.
Go.
one.
Catch. They trying to run. Go.
8-3. No, 3.
Tiensu.
Go.
8-3 Donsong.
Go. Ready, defensive now. Giga. Okay, walking. CD. West, looking west. 5 seconds. West, boots. West now, deep. West in 5. Step up now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Angkili, guys. Angkili.
Nabedra kami.
Oh my God, wala.
Nasa side pa yung DPS mo.
Here, Angkili.
Careful.
North.
Don't hit South PH.
Stabilis mo na, tol.
Spread, guys. Spread.
Demon.
Patay ako. Call.
Kahit muna.
Underroot ba
Muna ako.
Guys. Keep kiting.
Igi, kuha na natin yung objective.
Dropping Judy,
tapos
dropping